Faith, and I work at the front desk. I am a customer service representative, so we're the first faces that you see when you come in. It's a family-oriented company. Like, family's important, so if you have anything going on outside of work, they're very conscientious of that. We put out quality repairs. It makes me feel good giving someone the keys back to a car that's been done very well.
My name is Larry Matson. I'm a sergeant with the Holland Department of Public Safety Community Policing Unit. A year ago we started Operation Polar Patrol, and the idea behind the program was to have non-complaint driven contact with the younger people, and it's actually far exceeded what we thought we were going to do. Today we're back here, obviously we're paying her back for helping us out.
I'm Betty LeBrecq. I'm here with Shields of Hope. We enjoy partnering with Auto Body because they are very strong supporters of Shields of Hope. They provide location for Christmas trees for our adopted families, and they're helping us out with our golf outing. And like I say, they are at almost every event that we do.
I like working for Auto Body Xperts just because we always have fun. We're always laughing up front, just entertaining, and it's a good group of family members, friends, just all tight-knitted.
My name is Justine Poe. I'm with Crown Motors. We love partnering with Auto Body Xperts just like us at Crown. They are local, family-owned. They treat their employees well. They love giving back to the community, so we share a lot of similar values with them.
I love being involved in the community because it gets us a chance to know our customers, who they are, and form great relationships with the community.